Okay, guys, I need to discuss something with all of my 21K followers. And probably some are even like bots. I don't know. I've been dreading doing this video because I don't want to do it. But I'm at the point to where I don't know how many TikTok shop stuff I can try to sell. And I'm not a good salesman. I'm just honest. And I don't ask for money. I didn't even ask for money when I was homeless for a year. I mean, that's past and I'm in a better place now. But when my husband and I had homeowners insurance, our roof got pretty messed up from a storm, and we filed a claim. And guess what? It got denied. So we have to replace the roof, and we haven't done it in a while because one, we no longer have insurance, because what was the point of paying for insurance if they're gonna deny our claims to even replace the roof? Our roof needs to be replaced, and I don't know what neighbor it is. Now I'm gonna not say that loud because I don't like, fighting with neighbors. But and anyway, now that I calmed the dog down, so to get straight to the point, because I don't like doing a second part or third part, whatever, just to get to the point. They denied all of our claims to try to replace the roof. They wouldn't even replace shingles. So we've got spare shingles, but because our roof is so bad, nobody really wants to touch it. So we're pretty much stuck. And one of the neighbors actually reported us to our city. So we've gotten one letter, at least, saying that they're giving us 2 weeks to replace some shingles and our roof needs to be replaced. But on the letter, they said that we need to replace shingles, and if we don't do it within 2 weeks, they're going to charge us $500. I don't know if it's per day, per week. I don't know. It's if we can't replace the effing roof, how are we gonna replace? Pay for that fine. So I don't want to say bad words on social media, but my neighbors need to leave us alone. It's not their roof, it's our roof. So I made a GoFundMe. It's in my link tree if you wanted to donate. Now, I did the math. I've got 21K followers. If one person donates 70 cents, then we will reach our goal to be able to hire a professional company to replace the roof. So 70 cents. And right now, I only have $1 in my checking account because my husband lost his job and I've been paying for everything. So, only if you want to, but like I'm shaking explaining this because I don't ask for money at all, but I don't know. My husband's trying to talk to the supervisor and try to get a hold of him to see if we can have more time, but the city of Mesa do not really like to answer phones, and we have to call like 3 to 5 times and leave messages for somebody to call us back.